Introducing the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Call today to schedule a test drive.